Nexus between government and the market is very critical for the growth of the economy. Understanding this, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Dr. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, GCFR, visited the Nigerian Stock Exchange. It was a visit that was significant because it was the formal launching of the exchange trading platform. At the interactive session with key players in the capital market and quoted company CEOs, the President, who was received formally by the past President of Council of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, Oba Tudeko, it was an opportunity for players in the market to ask questions. President Goodluck Jonathan, on his part, addressed key issues having to do with government policy for the private sector and particularly highlighted the need for government, which he assured, to continue to engage the private sector and woo companies in critical sectors to list in the capital market.
This government don't want to do things that will injure the private sector, and that is why even our economic management team, we bring key players in the private sector to work with government. We bring the regulators, the private sector, and of course those of us who are implementers, the ministers and so on, to look at things. After we agree, then we pass on to the Economic Implementation Committee to look at it again, how to be implemented in a way that will not affect Nigerians. So these issues you've listed, definitely if you take the power companies, I believe as they grow bigger, they will list. And government may come up with some guidelines, but I cannot announce anything now because it's only proper for a government to, first of all, study something with the technical experts before you make political pronouncements on it. But we'll definitely encourage most of these companies to list and create conditions that to make sure that for you to benefit from government in some areas, of course, you must also do certain things properly. So I believe we'll give you what you want.
We also spoke with key players in the market about their views of the presidential visit to the Nigerian Stock Exchange.
I think the visit was well received and he spoke very well. He says he supported the private sector and that's very important to us.
No economy can grow and develop without the capital market. And all over the world, governments at the highest level always have their eyes on the capital market.
I think the visit is very tremendous for the market. It shows that the government is really concerned about the capital markets and is willing to support the activities of the capital markets. So we're very grateful to Mr. President, and already the markets showed up finished positive today. The market votes very quickly. That is a sign of an efficient market.
We believe that this visit is shown the government's support and willingness to continue to create that enabling environment for the market to grow. We expect that this will continue and this will indeed translate to the growth of the Nigerian economy.